What's going on? It's Darrin Jamal from Social Living. Today I'm going to show you how to do some complex masking and cutout techniques for your digital collages. It's very essential for any like more detailed work, so let's get into it. First, I'm going to bring in this car image I have, and I want to cut out all the windows. So I'm going to start with the pencil tool and draw an outline around the car shape, and then I'm going to use the pen tool and draw an outline just for the windows I want to cut out. And as you can see, I'm just going through all the windows, and you can see each one. I missed that one, so I'll go back, bam. And then if you select, you'll see each one. So I'm going to select them all, hold shift and go to object, compound path, and then I'm going to select that and the image underneath and go to object, clipping mask, and make clipping mask. And then I'll just adjust some of the outline for the car image with the pencil tool. And I'm going to bring in the space image. I'm going to make a quick clipping mask out of that and just adjust it so it fits right in the windows with the pencil tool. And bam. Pretty simple, easy way to cut out all your shapes. You're going to need to know how to do that for any detailed collages. So definitely compound path is the way to go for that. And then I'm going to bring in this moon image from my vintage collage packs. Definitely check those out. And this image of Venus, bring that in, have it popping out the window. Just adjust the layers. And bam. Alright, and then I'm going to show you how to do a kind of a clipping mask or gradient mask. I'm going to bring this space image in, make two ovals, make one a gradient, make the other a clipping mask for that space image, and then I'm going to select both and then go to the transparency panel and make a mask. And then you'll have a little fade out image from that mask. And then if you go to the transparency panel, you'll be able to adjust between the mask, the gradient mask, and the actual image itself. So just play between those and get a blending mode you like. And then I'm going to duplicate this and just rotate a little, just get a kind of composition we like. And then I'm going to take a gradient over the whole image and just add some color, and then I'll play with the blending mode to kind of give it a certain colorized look. And then I'm going to take another texture from my texture pack, put that over the whole image, and I'm going to play with the blending mode as well to kind of give it a vintage aesthetic as well, or whatever you want to call it. Vintage look, vintage aesthetic, it don't matter. It gives it a nice feel. People will like it. That's the point. And then I'm going to ahead add some details. This is just another gradient for the shadow of the Venus coming out the window. I'll add a little shadow beneath with a dark color, a blur, and play with a blending mode. And there you go. Complex cutout with your digital collages, essential for doing detailed work. So best way to do it, compound path. Subscribe for more tutorials, more videos, more everything. You know you want to.